Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Monday! So today is Labor Day dito sa US and we are on our way to Rhode Island sa Misquamicut Beach. Magstay kami doon ng one night sa aming huling hirit sa tag-init. Kaya lang hindi maganda yung weather ngayon kasi makulimlim siya. Pero parang mamayang hapon is magiging maaraw naman ng konti. Yun nga lang syempre pag sa beach mahangin, medyo malamig, medyo chilly. So ako hindi ako magsiswimming. Si Mr. hindi ko alam. And si Zeta dinalhan ko siya ng swimwear niya. Of course si Zelda hindi pa kasi wala pa naman siyang 2 months. So mag-hangout lang kami doon sa beach. And then ayun bukas uuwi din kami. So yun ang aming agenda for today. Samahan niyo po kami. Yun si Zelda.
Baby, I will go. Mepa, opa, mepa.
Hello everyone. Ikaw isa.
I will go.
Hello everyone.
Baby.
So ito guys yung Connecticut College. Ayan. Tapos last year yun, nagpunta rin kami na Misquamicut Beach. Dito sa area na to, nung pauwi kami, kung napanood nyo yung video namin, pero last year pa yun, may dito, yung nasusunog na sasakyan, tapos biglang parang may sumabog. Pero hindi naman yung buong car yung sumabog. Nakakatakot. So, andito na tayo guys sa Westerly, Rhode Island, kung nasaan andon ang Misquamicut Beach. Sabi nila meron daw ditong bahay si Taylor Swift. Ang ganda ng mga bahay, oh. Beach houses. So, dito kami mag-check-in, guys. Mamaya mag-room tour tayo sa Misquamicut Beachfront Inn.
There's supposed to be a guy here.
Ha?
There's supposed to be a person.
Yeah. There's no one. It's not crowded. It's holiday, but it's not crowded. Oh.
Hi. We got a reservation for tonight. The name of that? Rich Rose.
So, andito na kami guys. Hindi pa kami naka-check-in kasi 3 PM pa yung check-in. Pero since private, meron siyang access sa private beach para lang dun sa mga naka-check-in dun sa place. Pwede kami dito magstay sa beach area. Hindi maaraw, pero maganda yung weather kasi hindi siya ganun kainit. Yun si Zeta. So, nag-hangout lang kami dito sa beach until pwede na mag-check-in. Zeta, what you doing? Why don't you play with Why don't you play with the water? Hey, sister.
You tell them how you are always hungry and have to eat, or you turn into a bruja.
Sabi ni Mr. Nagbaon kami ng pagkain kasi pagka daw nagugutom ako, nagiging akong bruha. Ganun naman talaga, di ba? Pagka nagiging bad trip kapag gutom mo. Kaya takot na takot yan, nagugutom ako. Love, I'm telling them that you're so scared if I'm hungry.
Water.
Water. Yan ang beach. Si Mr. Pinapadede si Zelda. Si Zeta. Naglalaro. So ito yung pag-check-in na namin. Meron siyang balcony. Pupunta kami dito ni Zeta sa water. Si Mr. at saka si Zelda, ito try nila kung available na yung room, kung pwede na mag-early check-in.
Oh, water.
Water. Come here.
Oh, Dada.
Dada's over there with Zelda. Go, go, go!
Bubble.
Bubble?
Wow.
Wow! So, let's have a quick room tour, guys. Dito sa aming pinag-check-inan. Miss Kwame Coot Beachfront Inn. So, ayan, meron silang pasalamin dito. Karga-karga ko ang baby Zelda dahil umiiyak. Tapos, ito yung kanilang bathroom. Mamaya ko na ipakita sa inyo. And then, ito. 2 queen beds. Simple lang siya. Ayan. And then, meron silang mini table dito. Para kung gusto nyo kumain dito sa loob ng room. And then, merong TV. And then, yan, cabinet. Meron din silang mini fridge dito. Then, microwave oven. And then, yan, air conditioner. And then, lampshade. Ayan, simple lang. Maliit lang yung room, pero okay naman siya. Malinis. And, ayan, may balcony. Lahat ng rooms dito merong beachfront view and balcony. Ayan si Mr. sa labas. Tapos, pag ano kayo sa labas, hindi nyo makikita dito sa loob. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Paano ko ba ito bubuksan? Karga-karga ko si Zelda. Ayan. Successful. Ito ang mag-ama. Ayan. Ito ang ating view. Love, be careful with Zeta. She might fall.
Yay!
Yay! So, ito yung ating mga kapitbahay. Ayan ang beach.
Okay.
So, ayan. Yun lang ang room. Love, how much did you pay for this room? $310. That's including taxes.
I don't know. $320 with taxes.
Love, you watch Zeta. I'm so scared.
I don't know what that was. Not more than
Nasa $310 for 1 night. Medyo pricey pero okay na. Ito yung bathroom. Ayan, merong salamin dito. And sink. And then, blow dryer. Tapos, toilet. And, ayan, bath. Ayan lang siya. Pure white. And then, merong mga towels dito. What is that? So, ito ang lagay ng aming pamilya ngayon. Ang hirap din talaga lumabas pagka, may mga bata. Lalo na pagka ganito pa kaliliit. Hello. Hello. How are you? Kasi natin itong ating mga gamit. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you. So, merong ice cream place dito sa may tapat lang. Punta kami doon maya-maya. Oh no, the baby is cute. Pagkagat yung mga anak mo, marami ka talaga dapat dadali. Tapos dalawa pa sila. Ay. So, yung mangyayaring setup sa amin mamaya is dito ako matutulog and si Zelda. Tapos dito si Mr. and si Zeta. Si Zelda o natutulog. Natutulog ang baby Zelda. Hello, cutie pie. Sleepies ka lang. Sarap ng tulog. Ang ganda kasi nung weather. Yung breeze ng hangin. Breeze ng hangin. Tama ba?
Yay!
Si Sita naman takot sa sand. Ay parang medyo naglo-loosen up na. Natatakot siya lumakad. Ayan. Hindi na natatakot. Naglakad na. Maya-maya magtatatakbo na yan siya. Wala na kagad mga tao. Guys, kasi malamig nga. Medyo malamig. Pero saktuhan lang. So lalabas kami. Kain kami ng kung ano man ang makakain.
Place is open.
Ice cream.
There's like no line.
There's one person there. So katapat lang nitong aming pinag-check-inan o may pizza place. So very convenient siya. Ayan yung aming pinag-check-inan, Miss Kwame Cook Beachfront Inn. Tapos ayan yung ice cream place, tatawid ka lang. Kain ka ng ice cream, guys. Ayaw ni Zira. Gusto niya lang talagang ice cream ay chocolate. Kailangan may kulay siyang brown.
He just wants the burgers.
I love you! Nag-I love you si Zira. I love you! Makain si Mr. ng ice cream. I love you! Medyo maalon na kasi hapon na. 4 o'clock na ata. May pa-music dito sa kabilang inn. Ayan siya. Sandy Shores. Ito yung sa amin. Ayan. Zeta. Tako si Zeta dito sa sa tubig. At saka lamig din. Hello. Is it cold?
I know.
It's cold.
I saw water.
Water. Ang daming mga ano ba yung tawag dyan? Yung mga gumagapang-gapang na nangangagat. Sand mite? Sand mites ba yung tawag dyan? Kanina may gumagapang kay Zeta. Dun sa legs niya. Mahirap baka kasi makagat. Kaso ano talaga siya? They are everywhere, sabi nga ni Mister. So hindi mo siya maiwasan. Ha? Yeah. Because this is a private beach, right?
So is that. So is that.
Yeah, this area is...
But you know what the benefit of this place is that
Oh.
it was the less desirable of the 3 options.
What do you mean? Because the others require you to have 2 nights stay?
Yeah.
Ay, so yung mga itong pinapagitnaan kami nitong dalawang hotel na may requirement na minimum na 2 nights stay. Eh, hindi kami magto 2 nights kasi syempre mahirap at may mga bata. Ayan. So dito kami nagstay. Dapat dito kata kami sa Sandy Shores. Yan daw yung number 1 eh. Eh kaso may requirement na 2 nights. Hindi ko alam dito sa kabila. Go Sira! Sobrang lamig ng tubig. Ayan siya. Ay! Ah! Oh my God, it's so cold. Ang lamig. Nabasa na yung paa. Grabe sila pagka may mga nagsiswimming parang ayun na may bata pa nga eh. Hindi siya nalalamigan. Ayan na ang lagay ng beach ngayon. Winner pa rin talaga ang beach sa Philippines. Pero ito yung pinakamalapit na beach sa amin. Love, how far is this from our house?
1 hour.
1 hour away.
5 minutes.
So yun, 1 hour and 5 minutes away. Pero nasa ibang state na siya, Rhode Island. Kanina pa paikot-ikot tong plane na to. Sabi ni Mister, mula pa daw nung bata siya, ganyan na yung trabaho niya. Paikot-ikot lang, may dalang banner na ganyan. Ano nakalagay? White Haven. Si Zayda, tingnan niyo yung pinaggagawa. Umalis kami ni Mister kasi hinahagis niya yung ano, yung sand sa likod, palikod. Eh, nandiyan kami nakaupo sa likuran niya. Si Mister, napasukan yung tenga. Pasaway talaga tong batang ito. Ayan, ganyan ginagawa. Ano ba yan, baby? Ayan.
I guess that's it. I know, baby.
Punong-puno ng bukangin ng sand. So, andito na kami sa room, guys. It's 6 PM. And, ayun, nag-decide na kaming change into our pajamas. Ayan si Baby Zelda. Tapos ako. Ayan si Zayda. Pasensya na kayo, ang gulo ng aming bedroom. Si Zayda natutulog na, napagod sa kakalaro. So, si Mister, kinukuha niya yung order naming food. Nag-order siya sa Chinese restaurant. Ayun. Tapos bukas uuwi na rin kami. 11 AM ang check-out. So, ayun. Pero nakaka-enjoy naman, although hindi ako nag-swimming and wala sa amin pala ang nag-swimming kasi nga sobrang lamig ng tubig. Yung in-enjoy lang namin yung beach, nag-hangout lang kami doon, and si Zayda laro-laro lang siya doon sa sand. Si Zelda naman tulog lang siya. What did you order?
There's an old couple banging out there.
Where? Where? Oh, they're in the water? Meron mo nag-swimming dun. It's so cold.
Maybe they're really hard.
Whatever. Now, what did you order from the Chinese restaurant?
Lots of stuff.
Like what?
All the stuff I wanted, I ordered.
Like what?
Boneless ribs, fried wonton, egg roll, white rice, General Tso's, lo mein.
How much did you pay?
Well, with the fees, you know, the fees are expensive and the tip is expensive. It was like $88.
88.
But we're gonna eat it for breakfast too.
Yeah. Si Mr. nakikichismis na. No, you're so chismoso.
People are gross.
Why? What are they doing? They're not doing anything wrong.
Not them. But them. Everybody.
I have a question for you. Why did you turn up using dating app to find the woman of your, to find a woman that you want to be settled in?
What else was I supposed to do?
Why? You are from the United States. Wouldn't you be?
Options. There's no women in the United States. It's a big problem. You know, a lot of guys want to do what I did, but they don't have the money. So it's the solution to the problem. You know, I'm always a solution-oriented person. So.
But you have tried, having a relationship with Americans or women here in the United States, right?
It's not that simple. You can't even try to have a relationship with them if you can't get a date. It's
Why?
a male loneliness epidemic that they talk about.
Why? What's going on with the
It's
women
the
here?
are all, prostitutes.
Cross stitch. I don't think all of them are like that.
They're all going for the same guy. They don't want an average guy. They all want the best guy. And so then the best guy just has 10 girlfriends. And then the girls complain that they're so lonely, but they all only want the best guy and they will not lower their standards. It's a whole thing.
But if you have the chance, would you find a woman here or just find a woman in another country?
It would have been easier to find somebody here. It was very difficult, and it's still difficult because your family is on the other side of the planet. So it was not an ideal situation, but it was the only solution to a problem. Everyone else is having this problem. They don't have any solution. They just make videos about how there's no solution. But then they talk about Passport Pro. They say that's like the solution, or men going their own way. Those are the two solutions. One, men going their own way, in which case you have nobody, or two, Passport Pro, you go find somebody else. Finding somebody here is like a big joke. Nobody even thinks it's a thing. That guy was here earlier. That's not the food delivery person.
You can track it on your phone and see where they are. Where is he? You can track it on your phone. Just check it on your phone. Are you using DoorDash?
Yeah. That guy was here. Everything always happens at the exact same time. That guy, people, and the DoorDash.
Let's see, Zelda awake. Just check it on your phone. I told you, you can track it where they are. How about me? What's the reason why I use dating app? It's not my aunt. It's my friend. It's my colleague. Kasi wala, puro failed ang relationship sa mga Pilipino. So, ayun, nag-try tayo ng dating app and ayun, someone's knocking. So they delivered it here, right at your doorstep. So dineliver pala dito. So anyway, ayun, kasi laging failed ang relationship sa mga Pilipino. Dapat sumuko na nga ako dapat nun eh. Kasi nga medyo may edad na ako, pero ayun, meron akong friend na nirecommend ka na gamitin ang dating app. So tinry ko. Matagal din yun, siguro more than a year bago ko naka-swipe right. Ay, hindi niya ako sinwipe right kasi nag-send siya ng intro na message. Ganun kasi sa dating app na ginagamit namin, which is OkCupid. So, yun. I-delete ko na rin sana yung app and na-receive ko yung message ni Mr. and then nag-reply ako. So, ayun. And the rest is history. So, ayun lang for today's vlog, guys. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support and see you again next time. Good night. Bye.